Hi guys! So, dahil Valentine's ngayon, naisipan kong gumawa ng biryani, chicken biryani. So, yan yung aming handa sa Valentine's Day. Charan! Chicken biryani. Isang kaldero yan guys. Kumuha lang ako para sa plato. For plating ko, no. And then with the yogurt na may cucumber. Anong tawag din? Cucumbers salad. May yogurt yan guys. Kain tayo. So ito siya guys. Tadan! Biryani for Valentine's Day. Chicken biryani. My version. And then with yogurt. Cucumber salad. Yogurt yan guys at saka cucumber na may kunting carrots. So yun lang. Happy Valentine's!